Good morning, welcome back to our maths lesson. We have reached this far already, and we are now actually in chapter 4, the new topic. Okay, welcome back again. I think we are going to meet very soon, maybe in few more weeks time, right? But still, online learning will still be going on. Let's continue, right? Okay, so we are now in chapter 4. Okay, it's under chapter variations in page 92 in your textbook. All right, in your textbook, page 92. So our lesson for today will be going to start off with map scale. Okay, map scale. Right, okay, so today we are going to cover try it 1. Okay, try it 1. And we are going to cover exercise 4.1, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. All right, for this 1 hour of session. All right, okay, so we continue from last lesson, which is chapter 3, and now you can continue doing in your notebook. And I have a request here. I finished marking all your books, and I've seen a few of your books that I noticed that you didn't copy the question, right? Okay, I hope you guys can copy the questions, okay, starting from chapter 4, okay, including page number, which exercise, which try it, please write it all down, okay, so it will be easier for you to refer back. Okay, so we start with chapter 4, variations. Okay, write it down, chapter variations, and today's lesson is lesson 11. Okay, lesson 11, and write down today's date as well. Alright, and chapter 4, variations, is on page 92. And instead of starting off with try it 1, we start it from exercise 4.1 first, because I find out exercise 4.1, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 are the questions that you need to know earlier down before we go to try it 1. Okay, before we learn this, there are certain things that you need to know, okay, and certain things that I need you to recap on. All right, okay, things that you need to recap on is okay, you can note this down. Okay, note or information that you need to know. Okay, 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meter. Okay, you have to recap this back, or please memorize it now. Now, when I write this down, memorize it. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. Okay, and 1 meter equals to how many centimeter? Can you answer me within 3 seconds? 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's 100 centimeter. Is it correct? If not, please memorize that. Alright. Okay. 1 centimeter will be equals to how many millimeter? 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's 10 millimeter. Okay. This is the one that you really need to know. Okay. How about 1 kilometer equals to how many centimeter? Now, 3 seconds. 1. How many 0? Okay, how many 0 is there? 3 seconds from now. 3, 2, 1. Is 100,000. Okay, you see this. 1 kilometer, if you want to go to centimeter, if you want to 1 kilometer to centimeter, you have to times 1,000 and 100. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Okay, and 1 kilometer to millimeter, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Okay, you see that? Okay, alright, okay, so meter to kilometer, it will be divide. Centimeter to meter also divide. Millimeter to centimeter, it's divide. Okay, please note that. Okay, you write this down. This note. Okay, this conversion unit. This is a conversion unit of length, right? Please note that down. Okay, the The other things that I need you to know is, okay, for map scale, in the map scale, right, it's represented as a ratio. Okay, map scale can be represented by a ratio. Okay, you can write this down. Map scale can be represented by or represented as a ratio. As a ratio. Okay, and the ratio is like this. From the exercise 4.1, you look at this and this. The ratio can be in this term, or it can be in this term, which is a fraction type. Okay, as a ratio of fraction, or as a ratio of 1 to r, or 1 over r. Okay, which means 1 unit of length on the map represented as an actual distance. Okay. Example. Okay, or this one. I will use exercise 4.1, question number 1a as an example. Okay. A. Express each map scale. Okay, this is an example for you. 1 centimeter to 8 meter. It means that this 1 centimeter on the left side is on the map. Okay, and 8 meter on your right side here, 8 meter is represented as an actual distance, the actual distance. 1 cm is on the map, a very small one, and actual 8 meter is a very big one, the actual distance. Okay, you have to know left to the right is the map and the actual. Okay, map and the actual. Okay, so if they did not write any units here, 1 to r here, right? 1 to r. If they did not write any unit, it means centimeter. Okay, it's always in centimeter if they did not write any unit. Okay, so for example, you have 1 to 200, let's say. Okay, so it means that 1 centimeter on the map, 1 centimeter on the map is represented by 200 centimeter on the actual distance. Okay, 1 to 200, it means that 1 centimeter on map represented as an 200 centimeter on actual. Okay, if they did not write down any unit, it means centimeter. Okay, it means centimeter. Please note that down. Okay, so in this question, expressed in the form of 1 dot dot r, it means 1 to r, it means that it must be in centimeter. Okay, it must be in centimeter. So what we are going to do in question A is we have to change everything in centimeter. Okay, on the map it's already centimeter, 1 cm. Actual 8 meter, change it to centimeter by times 100. Okay, meter to centimeter is times 100. Okay, refer back to the note. Okay, times 100. So we will have 1 centimeter to 800 centimeter. Okay, so it's already in centimeter. So we leave it. I'll make it into a form of 1 to r. So it's 1 to 800. Okay, as I said just now, without any unit, it means in centimeter. So we have to change everything to centimeter. So this is the answer. 1 to 800. Okay, alright. So 1A, I will go to 1C, and I would like you to do 1B and 1D by yourself. Okay, I'll do 1C. Okay, B, I leave it for you to do. B, you do it by your own. Okay, we will check this, check the answer together tomorrow, right? Or the next lesson. Okay, so part C, part B, you leave it and you do it your own. Okay, part C, 4 centimeter to 12 kilometer. Okay, I scared I have no space. I will. Okay, you leave it space for you to do. I'll straight away jump to part C. Okay, part C, 4 centimeter to 12 kilometer. Okay, again 4 cm is on the map, and 12 kilometer is the actual one. Okay, so what we do here first is to change to centimeter. All we change to centimeter. the map is already in centimeter, and the actual one we need to change it to centimeter. So again, kilometer, if we want to change it to centimeter, how many zero? Refer back again. Kilometer, you want to change it to centimeter, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0, right? So it means that we times 1000 to change it to meter, and we times another 100 to change it to centimeter. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 here. So this is in centimeter. So both already in centimeter, right? So the ratio now is 4 to 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And the question says in the form of 1 to r. So we need this to become a 1. The 4 become a 1. So what we do is we divided everything here by 4. Okay, we divided by 4. We divided by 4 for both. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then this one divided by 4 is 3, and then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so we have already changed to this form. Okay, done. Okay, so please continue for B and D. You can do B and D now. Okay, B and D. Question B, question D. I'll leave it for you to do it. Okay, now we continue to question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Okay. Okay, now this ratio can be in terms of 1 to r. Okay, just now we do in this way, 1 to r, 1 dot dot r, and the other type also can be written as 1 over r. Okay, I'll do A and C, and B and D I'll leave it to you also. Okay, it's the same thing, it's just that the way we write is in terms of fraction. Okay, now part A. So we have 1 cm to 12 meter. Okay, map on the left side, and on the right side is the actual. It's very obvious because the map is the smaller one, it's the smaller unit, and the actual one is normally a bigger one. 12 meter is a very big number, right? Meter. Okay, so it's actual distance. So we change it to centimeter. 1 cm is already in centimeter. 12 meter we change it to centimeter by times 100. So we have 20 here. Okay, and the one in centimeter, both is already in centimeter, so 1 to 1200. And in fraction, we can write 1 over 1200. That's it. Okay, so part B I'll leave it for you to do, and part C, 4 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Okay, so it's map to the actual one. First, again, we change it to centimeter. 4 centimeter. Kilometer change to centimeter. We times 1000 to change it to meter. And then to centimeter, we times another 100. So we will have a lot of 0 here. 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. Okay, both is also already in centimeter. So now we have to change it to the form of 1 over r. So we have to have left side here become 1. So what we do is we divide it by 4. So divided by 4 become 1. Divided by 4 become 25000. Okay, so we can change it to the fraction form. 1 over 25000. Okay, that's it. And you can do B and D. Okay, 2B and 2D as your homework, or later you can continue doing this. Okay, so 1BD, 2BD, you do it your own. Remember to copy the question. Okay, remember to copy the question. Okay, I'll continue with question number 3. I will do 3A and you do 3B. right? Okay, so number 3A. The scale of a street map is 1 to 5,000. Okay, look at this. They did not write any unit, so it means that both are in centimeter. And the left side here represented on the map, and the right side here is represented as the actual distance. Okay, map to actual. So find the actual distance in meters for each of the following distances on the map. Okay, so now I'm doing question A for you. So 1 to 5,000 is from the question, and it represented as map and actual. Right? Find the actual distance. So you need to find the actual distance in meters. Okay, actual distance is the one on the right side, x. Okay, for each of the following distances on the map. So we know that this 4 cm is on the map, okay, so we write it down here, 4 centimeter on the map, and the actual one is the one that we need to find. Okay, so here we can cross multiply. Okay, so to find x is 4 centimeter times 5,000. Okay, we cross multiply, divided by 1. Okay, you don't need to divide it by 1. So 4 times 5,000. Okay, this one is, you can do it in cross multiply way. Okay, so 4 times 5,000 is 20,000, and it's in centimeter because left and right here all are in centimeter here. Okay, the map here is on centimeter, actual is also centimeter. So 4 cm on the map, for the actual one is also in centimeter. But the question requires us to be in meter, right? So we change it to meter by dividing 100. Okay, so we divided by 100. 1, 2. So the answer is 200 meter. Okay, now is your turn to do part B. Okay, to do part B. Okay, do by yourself. Okay, and then I will discuss the answer with you on the next lesson. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 4. I'll do A and you will do B. Alright. Okay, A. 800 meter. Okay, the question is 1 over 10,000. Okay, so it means that both are in centimeter. 1 cm on the map, this is on the map, and 10,000 is on actual. Or you can always write in the form of other type of ratio, 1 to 10,000. Okay, the map to the actual is 1 to 10,000, and both are in centimeter. Okay, find the distance on the map in centimeter for each of the following actual distances. Okay, so 800 meter is the actual distance. Okay, 800 is the actual distance. So you put under actual distance on the right side. You don't write 800 meter on the map on the left side. No, you don't write it there because 800 meter represented as the actual distance. So you write under the actual 800 meter like this. Map is the one that you need to find, right? So it's x. Okay, so what is next is that because this ratio that is given is in centimeter, okay, but 800 meter is not in centimeter yet, so we cannot cross multiply like that because actual here is centimeter and this is meter, so it's different unit. So you want to make it same. So what we do is we times 100. Okay, so this 800 meter, we change it to centimeter by times 100. Okay, so it will become 1 to 10,000 map to actual, and then x to 800 and then 100, 40 here. Okay, this is in centimeter. So both also in centimeter already, both in centimeter, so we can cross multiply now. And our x will be equals to 1000 times 1 divided by 10,000. Okay, we do a cross multiplier. I believe you guys know how to cross multiply here already. Okay, we have to make the unit same, only we can cross multiply. So we cut off all the 0 here. So it's 8 centimeter. Okay, that is the answer, 8 centimeter. So far, okay? Okay. So part B, you try to do it by your own and we discuss tomorrow or the next lesson. Okay? Alright, that's for question number 4A. We've done. Okay, I leave the rest for you to do for the extra time. Okay, so trade 1. Okay, we go to trade 1 now. Okay, so trade 1, this is in page 93. Okay. Okay, please write down the page number. Exercise 4.1 is on page 95. Okay, page 95. Please write it down. Questions you must always copy in the notebook. Okay, and trade 1 is on page 93. Write down also try it 1. Okay, don't write question number like 1A. No, write try it 1. Okay, alright, try it 1. A distance of 4 centimeter on a map represents an actual distance of 5 kilometer. Okay, so we have map dot actual, map to the actual distance, which is 4 centimeter to 5 kilometer. Okay, this is from the question. So 4 centimeter dot or to 5 kilometer. Find the scale of the map in the form of 1 over r. Okay, so they want in the form of 1 over r, which means they want in centimeter. Okay, so we change both of these to centimeter. Okay, 4 cm is already in centimeter. Now kilometer here, we change to centimeter. We times 1000 first to change it to meter, and then times 100 to change it to centimeter. So it's 5 and then 50 centimeter. When school reopens, when I meet you all, I will ask you guys the conversion to kilometer to centimeter. Please memorize, huh? Okay. Now both is already in centimeter, so it means that it's 4 to 500,000. And then because they want it in the form of 1 over r, so we have to change this to divided by 4 first, make it to 1. Okay, so it's 4 divided by 4 is 1. 500,000 divided by 4 is 125,000. Okay, so we can change it in the form of fraction. Okay, you can always change this to fraction first and then simplify. It's the same. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. Now part B. If the distance between two cinemas on the map, so 6 cm is on the map, find the actual distance between the two cinema. Okay, find the actual distance. Okay, again, from the question is map to the actual. Okay, the map is 4 centimeter, the actual is 5 kilometer. Okay, so you can actually cross multiply from here, or you can always cross multiply from this scale. This one 1 to 125,000, or you can always go to the original scale, 4 centimeter to 5 kilometer. Okay, for me this one will be easier, the map to actual one, just in case if your part A, your final answer here is wrong. Okay, if you are using this part A answer to find the answer for part B, okay, if let's say your part A is wrong, then your part B will be wrong also. So to find to make it easier, okay, you use the actual one. The actual one as in from the question, 4 centimeter to 5 kilometer, and the map is 6 centimeter. You find the actual. Okay, I show you this one first. Later I will show you the other way, the other method. Okay, I'll be using this method first. Okay, so 4 cm to 5 kilometer, 6 centimeter will be how many kilometer? Okay, we will use this and cross multiply. Okay, we'll cross multiply. So to find x, 6 times 5 over 4. Okay, 6 times 6, you times 5 and then divided by 4. Okay, that's the way I'm doing for cross multiply. Okay, and then you can simplify. 3, and then 3 times 5, 15 over 4 over 2 is equals to 7.5. Okay, and then it's in kilometer because I'm following the unit from the question. Okay, always refer back to the cross multiply here. 4 cm to 5 kilometer, cm to kilometer, so centimeter here will be in kilometer. So my answer is this. The other method is you can always use the scale that you found in part A. Okay, I'll just show you. The scale in part A is 1 over 1 to 5,000. Okay, this is map and this is actual. So 6 centimeter is map and then the actual is x. Okay, and then you can cross multiply, and this is always in centimeter. So x is equals to 6 times 1 to 5,000 and is equals to 750,000, and it's always in centimeter. And if you want to change this back to kilometer, you divide it by 100 to become meter and divided by 1000 again to become kilometer. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's 7.5 kilometer. It's the same answer. Okay, you have two methods here. The first method, method 1, and the second method, method 2. Okay, you can write both of these down, and whichever method you can use, it's all up to you. Alright? Okay, that is for try number 1. Okay, so the next question, 7 and 8, I want you to do it. Okay, do it as a homework. Okay, and I will give you the answer on the next lesson. Please try to do. If you don't try to do, you don't know whether you know how to do this topic or not. Okay, please try it. Okay, the answers are at the back of the book. You can refer to the answer to check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, I will show you the full working on the next lesson. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. Okay, so again, your homework is exercise 4.1, question number 1 BD, number 2 BD, number 3B, 4B, and number 7 and 8. Okay, so I will discuss with you on the next lesson on question number exercise 4.1, question number 1 BD, 2 BD, 3B, 4B, and number 7, number 8. Okay? Alright, that's all for lesson 11. Thank you guys. Bye.